Hello, welcome back guys in new CNC channel. Okay, this time I want to give you tutorial about how to enable GPU acceleration in Vegas or older name this software called Sony Vegas. Okay, before we enable GPU acceleration, let's try to open our project. For example, this is I have existing project here that I want to open. Okay, Sony Vegas or Vegas Pro now it's acquisition by uh, Magix software. You can see in about, and this is called Magix software or Vegas Pro or Sony Vegas in older name. And if in the older Sony Vegas, we can enable uh, GPU acceleration in the this item or project properties, but in the Vegas Pro 16.0 we can just click options and preference. Okay, you can click option and then choose preference. In general, you can see there is option low legacy GPU rendering. Okay, just check this. Okay, after you check this, you can choose the video, for example. Okay, maximum number of random threads, or you can increase to fast, but it's higher, it's more eat your RAM or processor. But uh, by default, maybe this is in GPU acceleration of your software is off or using Intel, for example, of mine. But using NVIDIA is better for me. You can choose GPU acceleration in this preference mode or in the preference menu and choose video tab. And for general, don't forget to allow legacy GPU rendering. Okay, that's all. You can increase your RAM to faster while rendering or encoding your uh, video. Okay, your project. I mean, you can just render, then just click render. You can select any format you want, just render, and I think it's done. How to enable uh, GPU acceleration? How you can see there in my status icon. You can see GPU activity by NVIDIA is uh, in Vegas or Magic software. Okay, that's all I think. I hope this helpful to faster rendering your video into Sony Vegas project. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.